Most budget smartphones follow the exact same predictable script. Trim the battery, dial down the build quality, and hope nobody notices. But Realme is taking a radically different approach with the P4 Lite 5G. Instead of cutting corners where it hurts, they packed in a colossal 7,000 mAh Titan battery, a 144 Hz display, and military-grade drop resistance, all starting at under 13,000 rupees. Holding the P4 Lite 5G, the first thing you notice is the textured mosaic finish in either mosaic blue or mosaic green. Despite that massive power cell, Realme kept the chassis reasonably balanced with clean vertical camera accents. Even better is the durability package. You get IP64 dust and splash resistance alongside MIL STD 810H shock protection. For delivery workers, commuters, and anyone prone to accidental drops, this phone is engineered to survive real-world abuse. Flip it around and you are greeted by a massive 6.8-inch display. While it is an HD Plus LCD panel rather than AMOLED, Realme compensated by pushing the refresh rate all the way to 144 Hz. Scrolling through feeds, switching apps, and navigating the interface feels remarkably fluid. With 900 nits of peak brightness and rainwater smart touch, outdoor usability in direct sunlight and wet weather is surprisingly dependable. Under the hood, the P4 Lite 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, built on an efficient 6nm architecture. Paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and additional dynamic memory expansion, it handles multitasking, navigation, and everyday social apps without breaking a sweat. It is not an esports gaming rig, but for casual gaming and responsive day-to-day use, the dual-band 5G connection delivers steady, lag-free connectivity. The real star of the show, without question, is that 7,000 mAh battery. Under normal mixed usage, this phone easily delivers 3 full days of screen-on endurance. Even heavy navigation and constant streaming will not drain it before nightfall. The 15-watt charging does mean top-ups take patience, but with reverse wired charging built right in, the P4 Lite 5G can literally double as an emergency power bank for your earbuds or secondary devices. For photography, you get a straightforward 13-megapixel AI rear shooter and a 5-megapixel front camera. It is tuned for clean daytime document scans and casual snapshots, rather than low-light masterworks. Running Realme UI 7.0 on Android 16, the software experience is snappy and feature-packed. If you need an unbreakable battery marathon champion with 5G for under 13,000 rupees, the Realme P4 Lite 5G is tough to beat.